Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with the 6th class maths, and in this introduction to algebra, we are talking about expressions with variables. What are the various expressions that we are getting with variables? What do you mean by variable? Variable means which always vary. Vary means change. The value will be changing. That is called variable. So usually you will be taking, for example, we'll take m, n, p, q, etc. Letters, some letters will be taking. Any letter you can take, that is called as variable, because whenever you are giving some value to it, the answer changes. So since the answer is changing, it is called variable. Okay. Now you have got a table in your textbook, children. You have got a serial number and situation. This is serial number, SL number. Serial number and situation is given, and you need to write variable and statement. Statement using expression. Whatever is the expression is given basing on that. This is the table. First one is given as n divided by 7. N divided by 7. N divided by 7. So variable here, letter. The letter is n. So n is variable. What is the statement that you will be getting? N divided by 7. This is the solution for it, children. And second one, rupees 5. Rupees 5 more than what Geeta has. Rupees 5 more than what Geeta has. So whatever is the amount that Geeta is having, we have to consider. Let me consider it as rupees X. And what is the statement? 5 more than what Geeta has. Geeta has X. More means plus. How much more? 5. X plus 5 is the expression. Now, the third bit is perimeter is 4 times the side in a square. Perimeter is 4 times the side in a square. So let us consider side in a square as A. It is perimeter is 4 times the side, 4A. Okay, that is for third one. Fourth one we'll say price of apple is twice the price of guava. Twice the price of guava. So price of guava we are considering it as X rupees. So price of apple is twice the price of guava, rupees 2x. Then fifth statement, Renu's height is is 3 feet less than 3 feet less than Leela's height. Leela's height. So let us consider Leela's height as x centimeters. Then Renu's height is x feet. They are talking about feet now, x feet. So Leela's height is 3 feet less. That means x minus 3, less means minus. This is the solution. Now sixth bit, I have scored 1 by 3 of the runs scored by you. The runs scored by you. So whoever is that you, that person, let he has scored x runs. So I have scored 1 by 3 of means 1 by 3 x runs or x by 3 runs. So these are the topics, children. Please copy it. This is the table that is given in your textbook. Now, example 3. What is this example 3? Write a statement for the following expressions. Write a statement for the following expressions. So what are the statements? First one, 2p. So what is the statement that you will be writing? Geeta has 2 times. Geeta has 2 times the money that Sita has. So if you take P as the money, Geeta is having P rupees and Sita is having P rupees, Geeta is having 2p rupees. Next, second one, 7 plus x. Ramu has 7 marbles more than Ravi. Suppose Ravi is having x marbles. X plus 7 or 7 plus x is the answer, children. So here in your textbook solution is Raju has twice the money than Seema. I have 7 marbles more than Dilip. Okay, almost same even I have written. So you can see both. Then example 4. Madhu plants 5 more groundnut seeds. Madhu plants 5 more groundnut seeds than bean seeds. Than bean seeds. How many groundnut seeds does he plant? How many groundnut seeds does he plant? This is the question. Take the number of seeds as m. This is what is given here. Take the number of bean seeds as m. So as they have given hint like this, So number of bean seeds is equal to M, and Madhu planted 5 more groundnut seeds. So number of groundnut seeds planted is equal to 5 more than bean seeds. Where bean seeds are M and 5 more, M plus 5. This is the answer for this, children. Please copy these two examples. Then we'll go to the exercise 9.2. Exercise 9.2. First one, write the expressions for the following statements. Write the expressions for the following statements. So, what are the expressions that you are going to write for the statements given? So, let us see one by one. First one, Q is multiplied by PLIED multiplied by 5. So Q is multiplied by 5. That means the solution here is answer 5Q. This is the answer. 5Q is the answer. Now, second bit, Y is divided by 4. Y is divided by 4. So the answer for it is Y is divided by 4. Y by 4. Next, third one, 1/4 of 1/4 of the product of numbers P and Q. So the answer here is product of numbers P and Q is PQ, and 1/4 of product 1/4 PQ is the answer. Of means you should consider it as multiplication. 1/4 PQ is the answer. Now fourth one, 5 is added to 3 times Z. 3 times Z. So what is this answer? The answer is, there is Z 3 times means 3Z. To this what is added? 5 is added. So let me write 3Z here. 3Z plus 5. This is the answer. 3Z plus 5 is the answer. 5 is added to 3 times. Fifth bit, 9 times N added to 10. 9 times N added to 10. So the answer here is 210. 9 times N. 9N is added. 10 plus 9N. Next, sixth one, 16 is subtracted from 16 is subtracted from 2 times y. 2 times y. 16 is subtracted from 2 times y. So 2 times y is 2y. This 2y is subtracted, 16 is subtracted from 2 times. So from here 16 is subtracted, 2y minus 16. Next, seventh one. Y is multiplied by, y is multiplied by 10, and then x is added, x is added, then x is added to the product. What is this? Y is multiplied by 10. Y is multiplied by 10 means it is 10y. And then x is added to the product. To this, x is added. These are the answers for the first bit, children. Please note it down. I hope I am clear. Y is multiplied by 10. Y is multiplied by 10. No sign in between them means it is multiplication. And x is added to it. Okay. Always you remember, children, if you have a number and a dot and y, this means 10 into y, or just 10y is also 10 into y, or 10 in the bracket y, this is also 10 into y. These are various ways of expressing multiplication product. So they may keep a dot, they don't keep any symbol in between them, or they may keep a bracket. Whatever it is, the meaning of it is these two should be multiplied. Remember that. Basing on that only, I have written here 3z means 3 into z. PQ means P into Q. 5Q means 5 into Q. 9n means 9 into n. 2y means 2 into y. 10y means 10 into y. This, since it is 6th class and initially you are dealing with algebra, understand this, children. Algebra is a very, very interesting and easy topic if you pay attention to it right from 6th class. If you are following it thoroughly, then algebra becomes a very, very, very easy topic in your mathematics. Please go through it. Next, we will see the second problem. Write two statements for each of the following expressions. Write two statements for each of the following expressions. For each of the following expressions, you have to write two factors. So, what are they? First bit, y minus 11. So, for this, two statements I have to write. A and B I am writing A. Y is y minus 11. What is the expression? Let us take marbles. Ravi has five marbles. Raju has 11 marbles less than Ravi. Here only the statement they are asking. You need not write it in the form of question. If you want to write it in the form of question, Raju has 11 marbles less than Ravi. Write the statement for it. In that way, you need to write. This is only two statements that they are asking. This is quite enough for one. And the second one, we have done marbles. Let us say Radha has Y pens. Rani has 11 pens less than Radha. You can write this two statements. And second bit, 10A. So two statements you have to write. 10A. Cost of one pen is rupees A. The cost of 10 pens is 10A. Next B. B. Number of pages a book has are A pages. Then number of pages 10 books have. That is 10A. Okay, next. Third one, x by 5. Cost of one ticket is rupees X. Cost of the same ticket after few days is x by 1 by 5 times. 1 by 5 times of x. Okay, this is one statement you have can write. And the next one is I can write number of pens. Number of pens one get are x for some money. And number of pens he gets for 1/5 of that rate. For 1/5 of that rate, the number of pens he gets. See, number of pens one get are x. If he pays some money, x pence he will get. For 1/5 of rate, 1 by 5x he will be getting. Next. Fourth one, 3m plus 11. The age of the mother is 11 years more than 3 times of the child. 3 times of the child's age. That means if the child's age is considered as m years, mother's age is 11 more than 3 times the age of the child. Then the third, another bit that you have to write. The cost of mathematics book is rupees 11 more than 3 times the cost of Hindi book. So suppose Hindi book cost is m rupees. Maths book is 11 rupees more than 3 times of m. 3m. Next, fifth one. 2y minus 5. So we can write 2y minus 5. The age of Sita is 5 years less than twice the age of Rama. So Rama's age 5, Sita's age is 5 years less than twice of Rama's age. And another bit, B bit. The height of a pole is 5 meters less than twice the height of a flagpole. We can write flagpole. So that is a pole on which the flag is kept. As a flag, just a pole is there. Its height is 5 meters less than twice the height of a flagpole. You can write anything, children. Anything will be the correct answer for it. Just you have to use the statements in such a way that they satisfy what is given to us. It is not required that you have to write only this. Anything else you can write. Okay, but you should understand the concept of what is given in this sum. Please note it down. Now, let me see the third problem. Third one is Peter has P number of balls. P number of balls. Number of balls with David. Number of balls with David is 3 times the balls is 3 times the balls with Peter. With Peter. Write this as an expression. Write this as an expression. So how will you write? Peter has P number of balls. So number of balls Peter has is equal to P. Number of balls David has, David is with David is 3 times the balls of Peter. So 3 times the balls will be equal to 3P. So number of balls with David is, what did they say? 3 times. The number of balls with David is 3 times the balls with Peter. That is 3P is the answer. 3 times the balls with Peter. 3P is the answer for it, children. This is third problem. Now fourth problem. Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. Sita has 3 more notebooks than Geeta. Find the number of books that Sita has. Find the number of books that Sita has. Use any letter for books that Geeta has. So let Geeta has X books. Then Sita has 3 more books than Geeta. So first Geeta books X. Then books with Sita is equal to 3 more than Geeta. Geeta has X. It is having 3 more. X plus 3 books. This is the answer, children, for this problem. This is fourth one. And fifth one. Cadets are marching in a parade. Cadets are marching in a parade. Parade means, you know, children, they move stepwise in a row. That is called a parade. There are 5 cadets in each row. There are 5 cadets in each row. Then the question, what number of cadets are there for a given row? What number of cadets are there for a given number of rows? For a given number of rows. Use n for number of rows. N for number of rows. So actually, cadets are marching in a period. There are 5 cadets in each row. So number of cadets in one row. Number of cadets in one row is equal to n. So Number of cadets in one row, 5. Number of cadets. Here they have given a number of rows. So let me write number of rows. Number of rows are given n. So number of cadets in n rows is equal to 5n. This is the answer. 5 into n, 5n are there. This is the answer, children. So, repeat, it is fifth problem of 9.2 exercise. With this, I am concluding today's topic. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.